Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am super excited to start this journal, Living the Sweet Life. I literally, all I did was just pull it out of the envelope, and I saw this cute little note here from Lynette, and then she gave me like a little extra package. I haven't even opened it up yet, so like I said, I literally just pulled it out. So I'm going to look at that in a second, but here's the journal. It's Living the Sweet Life, and I think I have an idea that I want to do with this one in regards to decorating it. And again, one of those things, kind of an experiment, gonna just try it. I did end up buying some of her ruffles that she had available. I was able to get my hands on 2 of them. And super cute. I love how she wrapped them in this the seam binding, and then really super sweet. I'm so excited to have these and use those. And then of course I think what I'm gonna do is kind of do a setup video. I did also purchase a second kit, just because the fruit theme, I really love the fruit theme, so I wanted to have some extra stuff. So I'm going to put this aside real quick, and I just want to look at what this is. So there's a little card here. Let me just open it real quick. Oh, look how cute. It's like a little lemon card. Okay, that is just so super sweet. And she said it, she just basically thanked me for putting these videos together and stuff. So, oh my God, how cute is this? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Squeeze the day. And then she added some stuff inside here. Oh my God, look. How stinking cute is this? There's like this has like little fruits on it. Wow, my nails look really bad. There's a couple little fruit cutouts, and then she talked about this on one of her videos about how she had found these at the Dollar Tree, and I was like, oh, those would be really cute in the book. And then Handmade with Love, and then another little postcard or little recipe sheet, and then some more cards, and then a little pad of paper, another recipe page, and then some more wallpaper, and the little napkin, and oh, cool, some crocheted little pieces. So sweet of you. You did not have to do that, Lynette, but that was so sweet of you. Thank you so much for all the extra goodies. So again, this is just kind of a thank you from her to me. So that was really sweet of her. So that is so fun. Get little goodies in the mail. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna do this as a setup video. So I'm gonna set up just like I normally do. I've got my 2 pieces here. I found this wall sticker at the Dollar Tree. There's bubbles in it, and thought this was appropriate for a journaling book. And this is a thing that I found at Daiso, Japan, so it's pretty big. And then I have my little container that I use for my collections. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of do a quick little setup here. I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm not sure she sold out of this one yet, but it did. So I didn't even look to see if she sold out. I guess I could look real quick, but anyway, I did get a pack of her card sets, so this one is really cute with the florals on that. And then she had a bunch of like strawberry ones and fruits, and really cute. I think I actually have some of these from something else. I love this one. I love both of these. They're very like 70s looking to me. So I wanted to grab a pack, so I did purchase those from her shop. And then she, of course, includes a little thank you for people that order within the first 24 hours, which I think is pretty much everybody now. So here's a couple little tickets, our little red tag, have a couple other little tags, a Trivia Pursuit game, and then a couple of little message and ticket sheets. So that came with a little thank you. And then here is the thing that usually comes in the collection, her little message that she likes to send. I like to include those in the packages. Feels like there's something in here. Oh, yep, paper clips. So I'm going to put the paper clips over here. Actually, let me go ahead and I think I want to, let's just put some of the tickets away. Okay, and then there is another one of the cards. Something just fell in there. Okay, and then the little handmade stickers. Now this is all of the that came with the collection. This little dairy cap. I can't remember what these are called. I think they have a name, but I can't remember what it's called. A little tab punch. Her hearts that she usually includes. And then there's a couple little pins in there this time. There's a couple of punches, it looks like, some tab punches. And then some circle punches. And then some more tickets. So yeah, just gonna kind of put some of this stuff away. Oh, I like those. Those are cute, like little can jars, stickers. I like these too. I think she sells these in a little pack on a shop. I'm not sure. Okay, let's see what else. And then I've got another little lemon. I guess I should put this stuff in here too. Some other lemons. Put this. Let's see what's in the bright yellow. I love these mason jar little tags. And some like old stationery recipe, and then the pocket. Oh, I love that. I love she does this with her collections. I love that she takes the time to make one special tag that goes with the collection. I just love that. Okay, so all those tags can go together. I'm gonna try to use that bag. Oh, that's super cute. Lemonade. You're a peach. There's two of those there. Cute. And then some 6x6 paper that she usually includes. Ooh, it got a label stickers. I love these. Love that one. She includes those in there, and an envelope, and then a bunch of papers. Oh, I like that. And then just a bunch. Oh, this one's cool. So cute. And then of course the wallpaper. So cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. Okay. So let's go ahead and put those all in here. I do have some stuff that I got from my stash as well, but I just want to open this up. This is, can't remember if I got the 30-piece ephemera pack or the 15. It feels like 30. It feels like more than 15. So I'm just going to kind of get this stuff organized, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I put the bigger papers in here, and then this, and then I'll go ahead and put the napkins and stuff in here, along with all of the different cards in there. Got several bags here that I could use. And several envelopes. I definitely won't be able to use all of this stuff in this collection, but that's the great thing. It's like I get so much stuff, especially when you order the accessory packs, that it's just like so much stuff. And I mean, look how cute this is. Look how cute that is. I mean, where does she find this stuff? I don't know. I don't know where she finds this stuff. Okay, and I have several of these. Can they fit in here? I don't think they will. I don't want to bin them, so I won't put them in there. Okay, so I put those in there. And these will fit in there. And then I think these will probably fit in here, maybe. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. So those will just have to go in there. And then the cards. Okay. Okay, so I feel like I've got everything kind of set up. I want to just pull some stuff. I have this sticker book that I got at Michael's a while ago. And it's got like just little fruits and stuff in it, so I thought I could pull out those little fruits. So I'm going to add that to here. And then I have this pineapples that I got at the Dollar Tree. Or it might have been the 99-cent store. No, Greenbrier, that's the Dollar Tree. And then I just got some other little pieces here. I got this little sticker sheet. I have this sticker sheet that has a bunch of like summary type words on it. So I'm just going to stick this in there. I'm not sure if I'll use that. And I've got a couple of die cuts here. And then I have this that came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to pull out a couple of those pages. This is actually leftover stuff from June's planners that I did. So in June I kind of did like a strawberry, like a fruit theme for all of my planners. So I am going to go ahead and just put some stuff in there. I have these. So yeah, so I've got quite a lot of stuff to use. I don't think I'm going to be able to use it all, but I might as well keep it all together and then use it as I see fit. So I'm actually going to flip this over and stick these in the back of here. Feel set up. I'm going to just do a quick, my normal setup things that I typically do, which is first thing that I do is I like to tie this around the outside and then also glue the edges. I didn't do that last time and they frayed quite a bit. So I just take some glue and just glue the edges. And then I'm going to tie, and then I just tie this in a knot. Okay, and then I'm going to put the little bookmark bead thing on. I think I want the blue to be at the bottom. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to put this in here, but I don't think I'm actually going to glue it down quite yet. because of what I want to do with this journal. It's going to kind of change it up a little bit. I do want this in here, and I think I'm just going to put it in the back. Yeah, I think I want that to be so. This is always like a little bit of a puzzle of how I'm going to put this in here and still have all of the information in it. So I think I'm just going to glue that down. Okay, so I'm just going to glue this one little piece down. So let's see. So that is so I just added that in there, and you can still pull everything out. See that it says the Living with a Sweet Life, and then you can still read the message. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue on my tabs here. And then I'm going to put this on the front like I typically do. And I am going to put an extra bead of glue. I'm going to go ahead and kind of leave the and then I'm going to try to get it as close to the edge as possible so I can leave as much of the sewing showing. That's hard to say. Showing. I think that's all I'm going to do in this video. I feel like I'm really set up to go ahead and work on this, and we will see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye for now.